In this video, we spent 24 hours in one of the oldest cities in the Philippines, Cebu. From our hotel in Narita, we took a shuttle bus to Terminal 1 where we checked into our flight on Cebu Pacific. Alright, gotta do a thing where we make sure that the gate exists. Here it is. 8:55 departure time to Cebu, Philippines. Alright, let's go explore the airport. We explored Narita International Airport to find all sorts of stores selling different goodies. We ended up buying a few things as well as a Japan sticker to put on my suitcase later. We also got soft serve ice cream and yakisoba from a store near our gate, as well as some snacks and drinks to bring on the plane. And before we knew it, it was time to board our flight. We actually ended up booking the front row for extra legroom and also pre-ordered a meal, which was chicken teriyaki and rice. Nothing too special, but not too bad either. After 4 hours, we finally land in Cebu, Philippines. So, Cebu is known to be the oldest city in the Philippines and was actually the country's first capital. Okay, so we have made it to Cebu City. We are staying at the Waterfront Cebu City Hotel. So let me show you the room really quick. All right, so when you walk in, this is what we see. On the left over here is, or sorry, on the right is the bathroom. Pretty decent sized bathroom, I would say. And then the shower is kind of here. It's like behind this wall, which is kind of interesting, but pretty big shower. Kind of like it. And then leaving the bathroom, we got closet space here, dark in there. Got a husband here, and then we got one king bed. I believe it's a king bed. Pretty decent sized room as well. Old TV here, a desk, and then we have this really nice view of Cebu City. New building going up across the way, and just a nice, I don't know if you could see it on the camera, but you could see the bay down over that way. So yeah, after settling in, we walked over to House of Lechon. This is a well-known restaurant serving kar-kar lechon. And this is everything we ended up ordering. We got pork sisig, and 1/8 kilograms of their lechon. What did you think of the lechon, Ray?
It was pretty good. The lechon was definitely juicy. The skin was not quite as crispy as I was hoping for. Sisig was probably the highlight for how hyped up I feel like this specific place was. I was a little disappointed.
Really?
Yeah.
I can see that. After eating here, we grabbed a taxi to IT Park to check out Sugbo Market. This is a modern night market featuring tons of different food stalls, some selling traditional Cebuano food, some selling foods from other Asian countries, and some selling desserts and smoothies. Do it.
Good.
Trying to get all this food down while it's also raining. And then for dessert, second dessert, we got the chocolate swirl ice cream thing from Swirl.
Yep.
Ray's already digging in. It's actually pretty good. I like it. To be honest, it was kind of hard recording because it was drizzling a bit. Holding an umbrella while eating and recording is tough. And I really wish it wasn't raining because we really liked walking around this little market and wanted to try more food, but we figured it was best to get going back to the hotel. Good morning from Cebu, Philippines. It is 6:24 a.m. Our next flight out of here to Camiguin is going to be actually at 2 p.m. So we got quite a bit of time to spend here. But what we're going to do today in the morning, grab some breakfast at the hotel. We were going to originally go somewhere else, but Ray did not like the walk to House of Lechon last night. I guess I didn't really warn him how crazy the roads can be, just even as a person walking. So we're gonna go down to the hotel, a breakfast eatery area, whatever, and then check out the casino here at the hotel as well, because it is a casino too. So we're gonna do that, and then try to get out of here around 10 o'clock because traffic could be bad, I think. I mean, you can't really tell it like that. It looks bad out there right now, but it's pretty bad here in Cebu. So I'm gonna try to get out of the hotel by 10 and just maybe grab some lunch at the airport, and yeah, that's gonna be our day, and then finally get to Camiguin, see my family, and yeah, that's it. All right, let's go. All right, so we are at Uno, which is a buffet at the Waterfront Hotel, and they have breakfast out right now, so Ray's getting his picture going on here. So this is what we got, our first plate. We got some pork tocino, ubi pandesal, bacon, eggs, garlic rice. Ray kind of got the same thing too. All right, let's dig in. So I took a bite of the ube pandesal, and there's like a little bit of like creamy ube in the middle, and it's really good. I like this quite a bit. Ray's got that dried put, so let's see. Trace it with some rice because it's really salty and dry. Typically you want to put that in the rice and kind of mix it in with it, but you can eat it whole too.
Real salty.
All right, here's round two. Ray already started eating because he's hungry. Got more garlic rice, egg, more pork tocino. I got the dried fish too, and some little desserts here. Cassava cake and maya, with the maya. After eating, we had some time to kill, so we stopped by the hotel's casino. Couldn't really record in there, but I did finally learn how to play roulette. All right, we are heading out of Cebu. Got our luggages all packed up here. Everything's all packed up and ready to go. Our flight is in like 4 hours, so we still have like plenty of time, but we want to get to the airport now because traffic is always really bad out here, it seems like, but it doesn't look too bad right now, but it's still a long ways away. It's like 13 kilometers from here. So that, and then grab some lunch at the airport, and then just chill and relax, and then we're heading to Camiguin. Are you excited to go to Camiguin?
I'm interested.
He's gonna see my family for the first time. Not my parents and my brother, he's met them before, but my other family. My tens and hundreds of family that he can see.
That part's gonna be a whole lot.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of family there. All right, let's get going.